You want to say hey? Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. What's wrong, bad girl? Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video. We have a special guest, which is my honey bunny. She wanted to be in the video. But anyways, I am back with another video. And this time, I'm going to be trying out the Makartt Purple Polygel set. So I'm super excited. I recently tried the pink one and it was really pretty. So I'm excited to see what colors this one come with or what shades of purple this one come with. So I am going to be, like I said, trying it on my nails. So be sure to continue watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Say bye, bunny. What's wrong, mamas? So I don't want to be in the video. That all I want to be in the video because I want to be famous too. You want to be famous too, mamas? She's looking literally dead at the camera. Do you want to be famous too, mamas? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. But anyways, please continue watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, y'all, so this is everything that the polygel comes with. So we have a clear, we have a light purple, a medium purple, and a little darker purple. We have the surface cleaner. We have a 100-180 washable nail file. We also have the brush and picker, and then we have the base coat and the top coat, and then of course we have the dual forms. So as you guys know, whenever you're applying the dual forms, you want to make sure that they fit exactly from sidewall to sidewall. You don't want them to be too big or too small. So let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and pick them out first. So this one, which is the 0, fits literally perfectly. So I'm gonna get that one. Alrighty, so after I finished slicing all of my nails, I'm using the little cleaning solution and I put it in a dapping dish. Again, they fit exactly from sidewall to sidewall. Then I'm gonna go in and just squeeze the polygel onto the dual form, or you can use the little picker and just place it on the picker and then put it on the nail, whatever works best for you. After that, you're just gonna pat the product. Now, before you start patting, you do want to make sure that you dip your brush into the little slip solution. That way it's not, because if not, it's just gonna be super sticky on your brush. And so make sure that your brush is a little damp. After that, just place the dual form on your nail. Make sure that you don't press down too hard because then the product is gonna squeeze through the sides. So just very gently place it down, and then after that I just kind of brush the bottom of it and then cure for 60 seconds. So same thing, this time I'm applying the polygel with the picker. So as you guys seen, I placed the bead on the picker and then place it on the nail. Same thing, just patting. And then the dual forms, they do have numbers on them, so you can use it as a guide, you know, for your length. That way you know what size to do all of them. After the polygel is on there nice and even, again, just placing the nail or the dual form on the nail plate, placing it down and then wiping around the cuticle area and then wiping or brushing the bottom of it to make sure that that's also nice and smooth. So it's the same process over and over again. As you guys noticed, I did not prep my nails before, but of course, you know, you would go in and push the cuticles back. You would remove the shine from the natural nail, you know, apply a base coat and all that good stuff. Like I said, I just didn't do it because I'm not going to be keeping the set on. I just wanted to try it out. But as always, Makartt's polygel always work really good. I love the different shades of purple. Now two, like the one that I'm doing right now and then the one that I did on my index finger, those are like solid colors, or I guess more opaque colors, but the one on the thumb was a little bit more translucent. And then of course, you know, you guys seen that it also came with the clear, which I decided not to use it because it's just clear. But everything goes on very well. Not hard to, like, well, what am I trying to say? Like, it's not hard to move around. Like, literally you just have to make sure that your brush is a little damp with the little slip solution or cleaning solution, whatever you want to call it, and then, you know, just pat it and then place it down, clean around and cure. That's pretty much it. Alrighty, so finishing up that last finger, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but when I'm working, I cure each finger individually, and then you could go ahead and remove the dual forms, you know, once you're done with each nail, but I just waited towards the end, and then after that, I'll just go in and shape up the nails. Now, polygel does file like really easily, so you don't have to do too much filing. Now that nail right there was a little bit longer than the rest, so I did have to do a little bit more filing, but it's not hard to like file it down. Like it's very how would I say, like it just files very quickly. So if you're shaping the nails, like you'll get your shape really quickly. But next I'm just gonna go in with some nail art. I am using the Makartt white and black gel polish, which I absolutely love. They're definitely my to-go white and black. And then I'm just using my little nail art brush. So I'm just going to be doing a few little random designs. I feel like black and white went really well with the purples. So I'm just going to do a few little things, and then to clean up, I'm just using my same little brush that came with the kit, and I'm just dipping that into my acetone and then just cleaning around the cuticle area if I get any polish on the skin. So like I said, I'm really just going to go in and do random things. Now for this one, I feel like I got a little too happy with the lines. So I literally was just going in and drawing random lines on the entire nail. Alrighty, so after we finish doing the nail art, I'm going in with some bling. So I'm just using a few different sizes, and then with my wax pencil just going in and applying them on the nails. And then also, y'all, like that middle finger, like I wasn't a huge fan of it, but I had already cured it, so I just left it. Like it's not bad, but it was giving me Spider-Man vibes. Like I just could not stop thinking about like a spider web. But other than that, I absolutely love the different colors. I really should have just did the colors that I have, the two shades that I have on these 4 fingers, because as I mentioned, like the one that I used on the thumb was a little bit more translucent, and so it kind of just threw off the set. Is just kind of like, why is your thumb translucent, you know? But like I said, it didn't look too bad, but I definitely for a fact love the other 2 purple colors. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to go in with the gel top coat and I'm going to go ahead and apply that on all of the nails. And then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. As you can see, they turned out really pretty. I absolutely love the different shades of purple and the bling and the designs. Like, everything just came out a lot better than I thought. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then again, I'll be sure to leave the link and the promo code down below so you guys can go check it out.